Good morning. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving break and that you're ready to learn today. This week, our theme is eating cake. And today is day one. So here's our story. Becca's mom was a baker. Last weekend was Becca's birthday and her mom baked 3 amazing cakes. The chocolate cake was big, covered in white frosting with sugar roses on it. The vanilla cake was even bigger and had chocolate frosting. The biggest cake of all had 1 chocolate layer and 1 vanilla layer. It was covered in pink frosting. Becca loved roses. Which cake did she prefer? The big, bigger, or biggest cake? Who can tell me which one you think? Kira. Are you sure? Think about it. Serenity. What? The big cake? Yes, that's correct. The big cake. And in case you're wondering, I am filming and with our class. So here we go. Our day today is 11/30/20. So today is the last day of November. Our sentence is Becca preferred the big cake. Okay, before you write your sentence, make sure that your capital letter bumps the top line and the bottom line, and that letters that are supposed to go down below the line are going down below. So we want to see your very best handwriting. So go ahead and copy down the sentence. Becca preferred the big cake. Better? Make sure you have your 4 crayons or markers ready.
Do you use markers?
I'm using markers, you're using crayons. So Becca preferred the big cake. So what do you think our subject is? Can anybody tell me the subject of the sentence? Ezra. Becca, very good. And what color do we underline the subject with? Aubrey? With red, that's right. So we're gonna underline Becca in red. Make sure you underline right underneath it. And just one thin line, not big, thick line. Okay? So Becca is our subject. What is our predicate? Nadia. Okay, preferred the big cake. What color do we need to underline that in? Nathan. Green, good. And what does all good sentences begin with? Kira? A capital. And what color do we trace the capital with? Blue. That's right. And all good sentences end with a, Victoria? Period. Good. And we're going to trace over that in blue as well. So what is the last thing we need to do? Aaliyah, what did we do last? We already did the period. Yes, put a slash between the subject and the predicate. So, this week we are learning about the words big, bigger, and biggest. And we also have opinion language. So, these are called comparative and superlative language. So we will see you tomorrow to hear what Becca selects tomorrow.